Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Well, I want to introduce myself. My name is Edi Mualim. I'm from MA Al Khairiyah, Talang Padang, Tanggamus, Lampung. Here I want to explain about recount text to my students to fulfill the assignment of PPG dalam jabatan tahun 2025 Universitas Negeri Yogyakarta. Thank you for introduction. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Oke kelas, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Wow. Good afternoon everybody. Good afternoon everybody.
Good afternoon.
Are you hungry? Have you breakfast? Sudah sarapan belum? Lemes banget. Oke. Before I explain about our material today, the first I want to absent about your class, okay? Aldip Wahyu Pratama. Okay. Antoni Wijaya. Okay. Devi Talia.
Absent.
Where is Devi Talia?
I don't know.
Okay. Esin.
Absent.
Okay. Where is Esin?
I don't know.
I don't know. Okay. How many students not come today? Berapa orang yang gak hadir hari ini? There are only two students. Okay. 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 Thank you for coming today. Okay, everybody. For today, we want to study about recount text. Recount text. Recount text, if in bahasa Indonesia adalah cerita yang sudah berlalu. Cerita lampau. Boleh dikatakan recount text is sebuah dongeng. This one is recount text. Okay? Do you understand? Paham what is recount text? Understand? Okay. Good students. Next. Okay, look here. Recount text is a text which retell event or experience in the past. The purpose is either to inform or to entertain the readers. Teks yang menceritakan kembali cerita, ya, menceritakan kembali, itu namanya a recount. Recount text menceritakan kembali. Example like this. Contohnya, yesterday, kemarin, ada sebuah peristiwa. There is an event in the field. Contoh, di lapangan ada orang main bola, kakinya patah. And then the story, cerita itu, you retell to your friends or another. Kamu ceritakan ulang kepada kawan-kawan. Oh, yesterday in the field, bla bla bla. There is accident, there is, etc. Nah, this is recount text. Do you understand what is recount text? Ya? Memberikan informasi atau sekedar menghibur pembacanya. Okay? Next. There are general number of recount text. You can read it. first before you write in your textbook. Okay, can you read? Bisa? Orientation, and then even and reorientation. What is orientation? Here for the explain, and then for even and reorientation. Bagian pendahuluan, orientasi, pendahuluan. And then for the second, even. Even adalah kejadiannya. Kejadiannya ya. Example like this. Yesterday, in the field, there are many people playing football. Nah, this one is orientation. Kemarin di lapangan itu ada banyak orang main bola. Nah, itu namanya orientasi, perkenalan. And then even, kejadiannya. Eventnya. Even describing series of event that happened in the past. Menceritakan kejadiannya apa yang terjadi di waktu lampau, in the past. Okay? And the last, yang terakhir, reorientation. Stating person comment about the story. Berisikan kesimpulan isi cerita atau bisa juga merupakan pendapat pribadi dari si pencerita. Okay? Before I want to give your example, sebelum saya memberikan sebuah contoh untuk recontexts ini, let we see the next slide. Okay. Language feature of the recontext. Language feature of the recontext. Language feature adalah unsur kebahasaan yang digunakan dalam recount, dalam teks recount tersebut. There is a title, ada judul, and then introducing about the person in the story, menceritakan tentang, memperkenalkan tentang orang-orang yang ada di cerita itu. Example si Ahmad, example si Yanti, etc. the person. Menggunakan kata penghubung, ya, using past form, menggunakan masa lalu, menggunakan past form, was, were, etc. Grammar yang digunakan, tata bahasa, grammar tata bahasa yang digunakan adalah simple past tense. I want to give some example of simple past tense. Simple past tense adalah bentuk waktu lampau sederhana. Example. Using verb to, menggunakan verb yang kedua. Contoh, example. I eat mango yesterday. Okay. Saya makan mangga kemarin. Saya makan mangga kemarin berarti dia past tense. Nah, kalau ini belum past tense, masih simple present. This one is verb one. And then for recontext, we use, untuk di konteks ini kita menggunakan bentuk kedua. Verb two. I mango yesterday. Nah, this one is verb two untuk waktu lampau. This one mango yesterday, there is no yesterday. I eat mango. Hanya saya makan mangga. Kalau ini untuk recontext, verb kedua. I ate mango yesterday. Saya makan mangga kemarin. When? Kapan? In the past. Kemarin. Waktu yang lampau. Every recontext in the past, it must be using. Ini harus menggunakan kata kerja bentuk yang kedua. Do you understand? Bisa dipahami? Boy, do you understand? Okay. Girl, do you understand? Okay. Thank you and good. The next slide. Nah, look here. Recontext, the example of recontext. Contoh daripada recontext. Title, okay. There is title, there is orientation, and there is event. Kejadiannya. Ada juga yang terakhir dia reorient. Okay, very good. Example. My friend and I went to the beach on Saturday. Kawan saya dan juga saya pergi ke pantai on Saturday. What day is Saturday? In bahasa Indonesia hari Sabtu. Ketika sampai di sana kami berenang, akan cerita dan seterusnya. Kami capek dan seterusnya dan saya tidur. Berenangnya nggak perlu ya bila perlu dijelaskan sejelas-jelasnya. Berenangnya saya kelelep dan sebagainya. Kaki saya kena batu karang dan sebagainya karena dia di pantai. Mata saya kena pasir. Tiba-tiba kok air lautnya asin. Ya. Kenapa air laut asin? Ya, please you ask to the other teacher. Silakan tanya kepada guru yang lain membidangi itu. Kenapa laut itu asin? Oke? Okay? This is for example of recon. I hope you are able to make example of recon text. In the next meeting, saya harap kamu bisa membuat sebuah cerita about recon text itself, ya, menggunakan text recon text. The next slide. Okay, what's the example of recon text? Okay. Like before slide. Camping to Sukabumi. This text, the next meeting, after I explain about the context, please you write in your textbook. The next slide, orientation, event, and reorientation. The next slide, ladies. Okay. There is exercise for you, ya. Ada pertanyaan. Okay. Until here, do you understand? I ask you once more. Saya tanya Anda sekali lagi. Apakah Anda sudah memahami? Do you understand about recontext?
I understand.
Understand. Okay. I ask you, what is your name?
My name is Rifko.
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 Rifko. Okay. You live Rifko?
I live in Sinar Banten.
Sinar Banten. How old are you?
I am 16.
16 years old.
Years
Okay. Good. The next. Iya, biar nggak ngantuk saya tanya dulu ya. Biar nggak ngantuk. Ya? Okay. I ask you, what is your name?
My name is Kiki.
And you, what is your name?
My name is Mutiara.
Okay, Mutiara. Okay. Ada pertanyaan? Any question? Okay. If there is no question for me, I ask first. Tanya kamu dulu. Okay. Maybe if you say in English, it is rather hard. Okay. Please you say if you are able to say in English, please you say in English. Okay. Can you answer what is recontext itself? Apa itu recontext? Okay, please raise your hand. Raise your hand. Yeah, raise your hand. What is recontext?
Kejadian masa lalu. Menceritakan tentang kejadian yang sudah berlalu.
Okay, event. Remember, kejadian is event. Event ya, kejadian masa lampau. Events in the past. Kejadian di masa lampau. Okay. Maybe for explanation about the recontext enough for you. And then please you prepare a set of paper. Silakan siapkan selembar kertas. Oke. Selembar kertas, please you prepare. Okay, I give you 5 minutes. I give you 5 minutes. Saya kasih Anda waktu 5 menit. Only 5 minutes. To answer these questions. Start from now. 4, 3, 2, 1, start. Please you write an answer. Go, 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 go. Yo, go, go, go. Go, go. Don't be lazy, boy. Don't be lazy, girls. Of course, you write. Okay, quickly, quickly, quickly. Don't be slowly, don't be slowly. Don't be slowly. Okay, quickly, quickly. Yo, go, 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 go. Spider, spider. Yo, boy. Spider. Ladies, spider too. Okay, finish? Are you finished? Okay, thank you. I want to check about your answer. Okay. Wow, very, very good. Okay, complete answers. Okay, next, the next. I want to check. Okay. Sorry. Okay. I hope you understand about the context. Okay, everybody. Attention to me. I hope you all understand about three context ya. Saya harap kalian semua sudah memahami what is apa itu context. How to make a story and then how to make a good paragraph in recall text. Don't forget, jangan lupa, don't forget, remember, ingat, recon text, text recon, teks menceritakan masa lampau, always using verb 2. This one is verb 1 and this one is verb 2. Don't forget. Okay? If there is no question today, well, let's we close our class today by saying Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Take yourself carefully. See you on the next meeting. Still with me, an English teacher in the next term or the next text. Okay? See you. Please you go to the out of class for good.